Hello everyone, myself Shubham Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss the opportunity in the UI UX domain. I know guys there is very scarcity of internship nowadays, but I am trying very hard to get the genuine opportunity with you. So guys, please support us in our journey and also please like and share this video and other video with your friends for getting more opportunity from our hand, because the more you support it will be more motivating me and my team to create the best content available in market. So without wasting the time, I will be going to the laptop screen where we will be seeing all the opportunity. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the Educator Shubham Shah blog where we have to seek the opportunity in the UI UX designer domain. Guys, in today's video, I will be explaining you the basic things that where to apply, how to apply, and when to apply. So please make sure that you are watching this video till end. The company name is Roundtech Square, and if you got to intern with this company, then your stipend range may be between 10K to 15K per month. The stipend will be depending upon your skills and knowledge. So here the basic idea the range is given. Let's talk about the internship duration. So the internship duration is 3 months. It can be further extended if your performance is good, but it is not anything mentioned. But for 3 months, it is for sure that you will be interning with this company. Mode of working will be totally depends upon your flexibility. Means here 7 to 8 hour works per day is mandatory. It depends upon which time it is start. For example, 9 to 5 or 10 to 6, like that. The start date is 20 September 2024 respectively. Means today I am shooting on 16 August 2024. So nearly you have 34 days for grabbing this opportunity. But the main thing is that it is first come first serve. If you are genuinely interested, then you can definitely apply as soon as possible. After watching this full video, then you can apply. I have provided the link in the description box, so you can directly apply from that. Openings are three, so here the chances for getting selected are quite more as compared to other opportunity. And the office location is remote, means it is 100% work from home internship. Now talks about the skills which are mandatory. The first of all, communication skill is must. You know that in whichever domain you will be going for in future, the communication is the part where which is mandatory for all. Your creativity, because as you are in the designing part, your creativity must play a vital role. Product design, branding, and editing. Here somewhat you need the editing part also, so make sure that you are having relevant skills. Once you fit that you are a good fit for this role, then you can definitely apply. If you want to apply, then you can click here, the link is provided here, click here. So interface will be open. If you face any difficulty in application process, so please make sure that you are reaching our team will be happy to serve you. Also, alternately you can also comment down your queries. I myself will be reviewing the comment and also providing you the solution which is best possible that time. So guys, if you feel that our videos are helpful and making a value and creating value, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and support us. Also, you can follow our other channel of Shubham Yogendra Kumar Shah, Jil Shah, and EduPatul Shubham Shah official channel. All the links will be provided in the description. So make sure that you are visiting the description after watching this video. So thank you so much for watching this video till end. I will be seeing you in the next video with new opportunity very soon. Thank you and take care.